Hey everybody, Jeff and his pond back in video mode. Yep, that's Mama taking her first load of wood out for me. Here, I'm just kind of gonna show you the damage that I did. It's not real pretty right now, but got to replant that mugo pine, and oh my goodness, these things it's partially my fault, but I had put down 2 layers of landscape fabric, not having any idea of the way the root systems were on the ornamental grasses. We had a small snafu, and we'll hit it because I couldn't see everything. So yeah, so I got to fix the pipe. I caught the pipe, but that was the only thing that happened. I just cut that and put a 3-inch fern coat on there, and I'm back in business. Other than that, yeah, we're looking good. Shut the waterfall pump off. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get that back up and running. I got some grasses here. I took 2 loads of dirt and crap out to my buddy's house, and I also dug out here, let me show you real quick. I dug out my wife's one raised bed garden while I had the hoe here. Oh my goodness, there was wisteria in here that I'm gonna zoom in. Now this is probably what you're looking at from the top of the boards. You're looking at a good 3 feet down. So those little white things are the root system that I had to cut off with the pruners, like the big tree pruners. So we're gonna see what she wants to do, and maybe we'll refabricate this one because it's been torn apart a couple times. But she was thinking about putting blueberry bushes and on one side and strawberries on the other. So anyway, but let me show you something. You see that robin right there? He's been following me around all day like my best friend. Yep, he's been digging and eating worms and you name it, boy. He's been my buddy. Well, it looks like she's back ready to go, and yep, the hoe's back down there. So anyway, hey, Jeff and his pond, keep your stick on the ice. Have a great day, and God bless.